This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. You can easily keep track of who your business owes money to by adding your vendors to QuickBooks Online. Let's go over the vendors list and how to add vendors to QuickBooks. You can add them one at a time or in bulk from a spreadsheet. Select Expenses and Vendors. And if you've already entered some vendors in QuickBooks, you'll see them here. If you have a balance due with them, you'll see that over here. You can filter this list by open or overdue bills. If you want to know how to add bills to QuickBooks, there's a link to a video at the end of this one to show you how. You can select a vendor from the list to see your transaction history with that vendor. You can even filter by date or transaction type. To add a vendor to QuickBooks, select New Vendor. Enter the vendor's name and whatever other information you find useful. You can always add more info later. Note that if you need to send your vendor a 1099 during tax time, then check this box to make that process much easier. Once you finish entering your vendor's info, select Save. If you need to add several vendors, instead of entering them in one by one, you can import their info from a spreadsheet. Go to the vendors list and select Import Vendors. Attach the spreadsheet and select Next. Then, map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. Select Next. If everything looks good, select Import, and all these vendors will be added to QuickBooks. You can see the vendors we just added here in the list. Want to change the info that appears on the vendors list? Select the gear icon and check the box for the columns you want to see on the list. Now that you have vendor info in QuickBooks, whenever you create a transaction for them, QuickBooks automatically populates many transaction fields for you. Start adding vendors to your QuickBooks and make it easy to keep track of who you pay money to.